I ordered from Bershka on Myntra, so you don't have to. Hi guys, it's Anushka. I'm a fashion stylist and creator, and welcome back to my channel. Let's see if it's even worth it. First piece, it's just a white, basic white t-shirt. When I ordered all this stuff, everything was on sale. That's the best part. Sleeveless t-shirt. I'm in the hunt for like really good basic stuff because that's what makes your wardrobe stand out. And मेरे पास कोई भी plain basic white it's a sleeveless t-shirt नहीं है तो this was perfect. It is literally just what I expected. The material is also like really good. So, and you can style this in so many ways, guys. Also, I'm going to add a clip wearing this t-shirt right here to show you how it looks. So you have an idea. So when you order, you know how it's going to look on you. So I ordered this in the size extra small. Always order extra small or small. When I ordered in extra small and it looks so good, it's perfect. It just gives that perfect street style vibe. So I'm gonna put links for all these products down in my description box below. So make sure you check it out. We have this belt. मुझे एक अच्छी बेल्ट की इतनी ज़रूरत है कब से लाइक गुड बेल्ट दैट एक्चुअली फिट्स मी. कभी मुझे चीज़ें बहुत ही लूज़ होती है, कभी चीज़ें बहुत ही टाइट होती हैं. सो आई नीड अ बेल्ट विच यू नो जो वो हर जगह उसका ये हुक हो. दिस वॉज अ परफेक्ट वन ऑल्सो. इट्स लाइक वेरी लाइक chunky. You can just style it, you can just make that basic outfit look stand out with this belt. You just want one like little out of the way belt, not a basic black belt. So it's gonna look super cool. It has hooks all the way down here. I have this off-shoulder sweater. This is like an off-shoulder sweater. As you can see, यहाँ पे studs है. It would have looked so good if it would have fit me well. But it's just so loose, like it should have fall like nicely till here, but it's just falling and falling. Like it's बहुत ज़्यादा loose है. But I got it in small size, perfect size. If it would have been like my size, like perfect size, it would have looked so good. I really like the size and the material is so nice. And then this has to be my favorite of all. I was looking for a really good lace top. It's like all over Pinterest और मुझे ये like layer करने के लिए चाहिए था. It styles in so many ways. So happy it fits me well. I was like very concerned about this कि मुझे fit होगा अच्छे से कि नहीं, but it does. So it's in a size extra small. And oh my god, just look at this cute top. So again, they have given a cut on the side which looks so good. So elegant feminine top. Then we have a mini skirt, but they have a short inside, that's why it's a skirt. And that's the best part of skirts, like you do not have to worry about wearing a shorts inside. Looking for something like this, like a pleated and also like striped skirt, and this is it. Now only problem with this is ये थोड़ा सा loose है, which is not a problem because it's fixable. I can fix it. But apart from that, it looks so good. It's so pretty. Like again, you can style in so many ways. You can wear in winter, summers. The size I've got is 36. I have is again a basic white t-shirt, but this is a different one. The difference is that it has sleeves. और ये boxy fit है. Now again for t-shirts, you can get so many varieties, like so many different kinds of t-shirt. It could be sleeveless, a slim fit, a boxy fit, an oversized fit. So I didn't had this kind of t-shirt, very boxy wala. So I got this white t-shirt for styling and layering. This would look so good. The size I got a small size, and again this fits very well. I think 4 दिन हो गए हुए मैंने इतना रोका अपने आप को गाइस जस्ट टू मेक दिस वीडियो. आई वाज लाइक नो, फर्स्ट ये वीडियो बनेगी फिर हम और सब चीज़ें करेंगे. That's why I can see tags and everything is still intact. Like the size perfect, the material is pretty good. It's not like a very thin white t-shirt. Then we have this cute little bodysuit. Again, as you can see, I'm obsessing over lace right now because lace is just all over, like all over Instagram, Pinterest, just cute and hot at the same time. I'm having like second thoughts about this one. Should I keep this or not? Because the fit wise it's pretty good, like it fits me very well. Size for this one I ordered is extra small. It just fits very well. It's not very tight also. I really like the lace work. it just looks really good. And I got this like a really basic t-shirt. It's a oversized, little not short, it goes like a full length t-shirt, and I really like the color of it. I'm really into like solid oversized t-shirts. They look so cool if you pair with like a really good bottom wear. The size for this one I went is extra small because अगर मैं small मंगाती बहुत ज़्यादा ही oversize हो जाता. The material is also nice. It's not like very thin material. Joggers है जो मुझे लगा pants होंगे, but I just saw right now कि ये joggers है. But also it looks so good as joggers also. I really liked the print. It just looks so cool. काफ़ी अच्छा material है इनका. And the size I went for this is small. Again, for mostly my bottom wear, again I either go for extra small or small. Thank God I went for small because these are joggers and this has to be like little on the loose side, otherwise it would not look good. We like buying bottoms a little different. Like it could be print or material because that just sets your outfit apart. We have this really cool red and white t-shirt which उसके आगे चेरी बना हुआ है और लिखा है व्हाट्स योर डील. पीछे भी प्रिंट है और लिखा है कस्टम एक्सपीरियंस. You are too cool to care. I think this would look so good with this skirt I showed you previously. Like it would give such cool vibes, casual cool vibes. जो fit है बहुत अच्छा है. Like it's not very oversized, so that's the best part. And it's a size small. Thank God I didn't went for extra small because I think मुझे फिर वो थोड़ा टाइट हो जाता और अच्छा नहीं लगता क्योंकि टी शर्ट्स में ना थोड़ा oversize तो होना ही चाहिए. I really like this t-shirt. I think I'm gonna wear this a lot. That's all for my Bershka haul from Myntra. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bershka is one of those brands that I always go to. Like it's one of my go-to brands. I love their like vibe. It's very straight style vibe. If you want a haul from any other brand, do let me know in the comment section below. See you guys next week. Till then, bye.